How much time and labor are you losing every day on wire stripping, tinning, and rework? Are manual processes slowing down your motor production line and increasing quality risks? In today's competitive motor manufacturing industry, efficiency and consistency are everything. The TATE hot crimping machine is engineered to eliminate unnecessary steps when connecting magnet wires to motor terminals, cable shoes, and electrical connectors. With TATE's advanced hot crimping and hot fusing technology, enamel-coated copper wires can be crimped directly to terminals. No stripping, no pre-tinning, no soldering required. This dramatically reduces cycle time per connection, operator skill dependency, human error and variation, long-term maintenance costs. Thanks to precise temperature control, stable heating molds, and controlled crimping force, every connection delivers uniform electrical conductivity and mechanical strength, batch after batch. The TATE hot crimping machine is widely used in electric motor production, stator winding terminals, magnet wire processing lines, automotive and industrial motor factories, home appliance motor assembly. Compared with traditional soldering or cold crimping, hot crimping offers higher throughput, cleaner working environments, and seamless automation integration, making it ideal for high-volume motor manufacturing worldwide. If you are searching for a high-efficiency hot crimping machine manufacturer, a professional magnet wire hot fusing solution, or a cost-saving motor terminal crimping system, TATE delivers proven performance. Contact TATE today to upgrade your production.